Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be showing you some baby chickens that I got. I'm actually hatching some eggs. I'm on day 14, so stay tuned for that. Look how cute. So these are my babies. That one right there is Beauty. And then I have Rose back over here. This black one is Lurch. Looks like from the Addams family because it's so much bigger than the rest. And then we have, I think that one's a rooster right here, and that's Goonie. And then that back one over there is Daisy. This is on day 14. It's at 100 degrees, and in 4 minutes it's going to rotate the eggs. This incubator has been awesome. I will actually link it down in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. It turns the eggs every hour, and then it keeps the humidity and everything in there really well. You just fill up those bottles and you can kind of tell when it's out, which I do love. So on day 19, I'm actually going to take out the rotator, and then day 20 to I think 23 is when they hatch, or 21. Day 20 to 21. But let me go ahead and show you the chicken coop that I got for them because it's pretty cool. So I also wanted to add, I'm getting some baby silkies in this Saturday. So stay tuned for that too because they are so cute. I'm actually getting 7. They do recommend usually buying 10, but I'm just getting 7. Let me go ahead and show you this chicken coop though. So this is the chicken coop that we got from Tractor Supply. It's actually on sale right now. We spent $1,000 on it, and I think it's like 6 something right now, which I kind of want to go back and be like, hey, I just bought this at full price, and then like not even a couple days later it goes on sale. So this holds up to 14 chickens. It has like the little spot where you put the eggs. Like that's where you gather the eggs. It has a window, which I think is just adorable. I also do have an asparagus garden and everything, so I'm going to be doing a lot of gardening this year as well if you guys want to see that. Let me go ahead. It's like predator proof. This is what the inside looks like. You can see it has like these roosting bars right here, 2 of them. Then it has this one down here. I am going to get some sand and everything to put at the bottom so it's easy to clean out. But this thing is awesome. I may actually put some like plastic down and then the sand on top of that, just so it's even easier and it doesn't ruin the wood underneath. Because I want to keep everything nice. And they say if you paint this every year, it's going to actually last a lot longer. The roof is like a plastic. How awesome is this thing? This is the trash from actually the pallet that it came on. This thing is awesome. Definitely worth every penny. Highly, highly recommend this. So I am doing 2 planters like this. I have my peppers growing so far. This weekend I'm going to be planting more tomatoes, just a bunch of stuff, to be honest with you. This is my tomato plant that broke in half because of the winds, so I put this up. I will actually link that down in the description box below too, because I think it's so cute and it's great for any kind of climbing plant, but it looks so pretty. And then this one I have not planted anything. I did put some of the chickens' shavings in there for fertilizer. Should be good. So we have a pond that we're actually going to be doing some fishing, so I'll do some fishing videos too, hopefully coming up. I did also get this irrigation system, which is really awesome. I have a mister that I'm going to put on the chicken coop, and I'm thinking maybe able to use this for it too. I don't know. We'll see for that. But this is my potatoes. Growing some potatoes because I had some potatoes that grew some eyes, so I'm like, you know what, cut them up, let's grow them, make more potatoes. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.